Sentence structure and pronunciation for beginners. 3. The, on, his, put, boy, shoes. First try to find the subject. So boy can be the subject, shoes can be the subject, but the verb is put, put. So put on. Subject, put on something. So shoes cannot put on something. So shoes is here, shoes. And then boy. Boy puts on something. And then we have his shoes and the boy. The boy puts on his shoes and period. Start with the capital and with a period. The boy puts on his shoes. So the boy puts on. So we need to pronounce as. We say puts, and on. Puts on, puts on, puts on. And then his shoes as. This is as. So cancel first as. Say he shoes. You don't have to say his shoes. Say his shoes. The boy puts on 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 his shoes. And now, boy is a noun. Shoelaces is a noun. But the verb is ties. T-I-E, third person singular S. Ties what? So shoelaces cannot tie something. So shoelaces. Shoelaces. So this is shoelaces. The boy is tying his shoelaces. And then boy. The boy. The boy ties his shoelaces. The boy ties his shoelaces. The boy ties his shoelaces. Okay, here. First of all, you need to say ties. So this S sounds like Z. Ties. His shoelaces just the same. Cancel S. He shoelaces. The boy ties his shoelaces. You don't have to say his shoelaces. Say his shoelaces. His shoelaces. The boy ties his shoelaces. The boy ties his shoelaces. And so he is the subject. In this pronoun, this is called subjective. Subjective pronoun. So this is always the subject. So he, and then verb is walk. He walk. Do not pronounce KL. So he walked. And then third person singular, he walks. And direction to front door. Front door. And then to the front door. He walks to the front door. He walks to the front door. Again, in order to pronounce S, put this together. Walk. Walk. No L sound. Walk. Walks. Walks to. Walks to. He walks to the front door. He walks to the front door. After N, you don't have to pronounce T sound. Say front. Front door. Front door. He walks to the front door. He walks to the front door. And now we have the subjective cases here. So he. And find the verb. He closes. C-L-O-S-E-S. He closes what? So you need an object. He closes door. He closes door, the door, and then behind him. B-H-I-N-D, him. Behind him. He closes the door behind him. He closes the door behind him. Closes. Closes the. Close. Close. Closes. Closes. I'm sorry. Closes. Closes the. Closes the. He closes the. This we are trying to pronounce this S sound. He closes the door. He closes the door behind him. So here, when H has a word in front of it, H is silent. So behind, 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 and then behind him, behind him, behind him. He closes the door behind him. One more time. He closes the door behind him. He closes the door behind him. And he is the subject. So he, and we have a verb, wave. He waved and then waves. Waves to his friends. His friends. Friends. He waves to his friends. He waves to his friends. Waves to. So in order to pronounce S, say waves. Waves to. Waves to. Waves to. Waves to. He waves to his friends. Friends. He waves to his friends. One more time. He waves to his friends.